Hi, Greg.
So we're putting on some Keel Eazy on the big clipper freighter. And we're going to start by scuffing it up a little. Okay, cleaning it with a little bit of alcohol. Alright, let that dry for 10 seconds and it should be good to go.
Starting with the 2-inch.
Yep. Put it right in the middle using our 3-inch line, but maybe we'll remark the 3-inch lines. I guess we'll start it from the front. And we'll just lightly put it on. That's about right. And then right between the lines here. Okay. That's pretty good. Now the idea is I put a shorter piece of this 2-inch tape on, and then I put the 3-inch tape over it, and it creates a nice contour. You always start from the back, and you try to get all these. There's a little change that it makes. Let this heat gun get a little hotter. And you can see it almost gets semi-molten. It looks like a liquid almost on the surface. And that allows you to get the nice little. You can kind of see the heat makes this all very flexible, and it allows it to kind of start to go around these curves, and you can kind of smooth out the wrinkles. And we go by eye here because it's a complex curve, but then we can go to our line. You can see the double layer of tape there, so you got quite a bit of protection.
So you gotta kind of even out the puckers, so there's not just one pucker, but a whole bunch of small ones.
Yeah, and try to make sure that try to grab it.
Yes.
And then when you get a pucker like that,
yeah,
you just kind of go after it.
Okay.
And get a number of smaller ones. And the smaller ones, see, when you got 5 or 6 smaller ones, they're going to even out with the
heat.
With the heat. I still got a few small micro wrinkles in there that probably, with experience, I'd be able to smooth out a little better. But that's pretty good. So that is the bang strip. Now if you notice this canoe, it gets a number of scratches in the deepest part of the hull, which is here. But that'll just have to live with that. What that front part does is when you beach yourself, when you need to land somewhere, that gives you a little bit of protection at the front. 2 weeks? Is it 2 weeks? Week and a half?
Little less, week and a half.
Week and a half.
Yeah.
We're going to take the big freighter to a river, and we're going to a place that has caribou, goats, sheep. A little bit early, but there'll be moose there too, and all the seasons are open. So give that a go.